trees whisper with the sea, where past and present gently meet. My heart finds rest with ease. Friendship Columnar joins, carried by the wind. Mysteries painted by nature's hand. Horizontal lines, tilted signs, a natural art embraced by John Juicy. From Uption Port to the lookout, walking alone feels so good. Here, made by time and sea. John Jew's breath shines eternally.